Today in crypto, blockchain technology remains the major drive in the decentralization of digital assets. This has led to the emergence of several blockchain networks, each having its unique and distinguishing features. Amongst these blockchains is Polkadot, usually referred to as the blockchain of blockchains due to its multi-chain nature. Recently, Gavin Wood, the founder of Polkadot, a development fund of about $777 million before the network's parachain lease auction. Related reading: El Salvador sees rise in identity theft as scammers steal personal data to get $30 Bitcoin bonus. The revelation of this development fund comes weeks before the blockchain's parachain auctions. The highly expected auction is scheduled to kick off in early November. This means that the funds are possibly useful in addressing developmental issues for the network's future parachain ecosystem. From his tweet on Sunday, Wood mentioned an allocation of over 18.9 million Polkadot (DOT) from the network's treasury. The tokens have an estimated value of about $777 million. They are dedicated to a development fund for later disbursement via community governance. Also, the founder suggested the spending plan for the fund, citing the capital mobilization in realizing the community's vision. The network vision is to develop, improve and educate the ecosystem and whatever the Polkadot governance values. Polkadot's wiki mentioned that with approval from the council, the treasury funds could be used. Usually, the Polkadot Council votes on proposals presented to them. It currently has 13 members and plans to expand to 24 members in the future. A number of Polkadot's past governance votes involve its community participation. So there's the possibility that the development fund can be channeled to increase holders' participation within the governance processes. A report from Polkassembly revealed that there were 3 governance proposals forwarded for the past week. The voting turnouts are 0, 6, and 7, respectively. The procedure on the network is that when a stakeholder puts forward a proposal, he reserves at least a 5% deposit of the spend proposed. If accepted, the deposit is returned, but it will be slashed if rejected. Slashing is a burning mechanism the network uses to keep validators from misbehaving. Thus, it's possible that Polkadot's slashing process, which puts holders' funds at risk, impedes governance participation on the platform. The upcoming parachain auctions are a means for Polkadot to realize its vision for a fragmented ecosystem. This will lead to projects on Polkadot competing to grab any of the 100 parachain slots through their bids to lock up. Parachains are Polkadot's fragmented sidechains with the capacity of hosting decentralized protocols and applications. In addition, they can provide specialized computation and relate with the network's proof-of-stake relay chain in executing transactions. Related reading: institutional investors remain bullish on Bitcoin as market records 8 weeks of inflows. Furthermore, the existing relay chain of Polkadot has the sole function of processing transfers, governance, and the network staking services. So, the new parachains have the function to offer advanced features, which include cross-chain compatibility and smart contract functionality. Hence, the development fund can serve as an encouragement for developers to create more on Polkadot before the release of parachains. San Francisco-based blockchain web services company Alchemy announced a $250 million Series C fundraising round led by Andreessen Horowitz on Thursday, bringing its current valuation to $3.5 billion. This announcement comes hot on the heels of a late April $80 million Series B, which previously valued the startup at $505 million. Pantera Capital, Redpoint, Lightspeed Venture Partners, Coach U, DFJ and Lee Fixel's Edition also participated in the Series C round. According to founders Nikhil Viswanathan and John Lau, the company is very profitable and thus far, has not spent any of that money, but plans to use the new capital to build a community around blockchain. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Fund managers appear to be scrambling to match demand from investors as major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, teeter around record price levels. According to a Bloomberg Terminal screenshot taken by Bloomberg Intelligence analyst James Seyffart, over 40 cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are now awaiting listing in the United States. The source indicated that 4 have already been approved by the Securities Exchange Commission, the most notable of which is the ARK21 shares Bitcoin ETF, created in a joint effort by 21 Shares and ARK Invest. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Morales, a platform that powers decentralized applications, or dApps, announced Thursday that it has received a $13.4 million investment from EQT, NYSE, EQT Ventures. The company said that it expects to use this seed capital for product development and corporate expansion. Morales seeks to provide the blockchain space with a unique user-friendly interface solely for front-end development, while the company and its developers handle the entire back-end. The software can also provide complex services such as node management, authentication and transaction indexing, which are needed for cross-chain networks, Layer 2 solutions and Web 3.0 applications. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Shiba Inu continues to exceed market expectations with recent trends. The meme coin has been on the rise in the past couple of weeks, with interest growing in the asset every day. This has cumulated to a rally that saw the meme coin break its previous all-time high. Rumors of a Robinhood listing had pushed the price of the asset up at the start of the week. However, the momentum generated from the rumor has taken on a life of its own. SHIB has solidified itself as a formidable competition for the top meme coin with its recent rally. Dogecoin, on the other hand, does not look ready to give up its crown without a fight. While SHIB has rallied, Dogecoin has also mounted a resistance of its own. Although not as impressive as that of its rival, it did push the price of the meme coin above the $0.3 resistance level. Shiba Inu has always been touted as the Dogecoin killer. Recent events have shown that this may be true. Dogecoin has retained its notoriety for being the first meme coin. It had gained significant support, which had sent its price rallying to its $0.7 all-time high. It is safe to say that Doge's popularity as a meme coin paved the way for others like SHIB. Related reading. Justin Bennett remarks that Doge will need to close above Tuesday's $0.23. Wednesday's close fell below this with a $0.23, the lower support point in Bennett's analysis. However, Doge still rallied following this closely. That has not given Doge much armor in its battle with SHIB for supremacy though. With Bitcoin showing low trends in the market, Doge does not present the best investment option for holders. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.